Hello everyone. My name is Maria, and today I want to share about myself, my journey, my struggles, my dreams, and the beautiful life I am building. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. My name is Maria. I am 22 years old. I am a businesswoman. There are 4 people in my family. I work very hard. I have struggled a lot in my life. My business is about fashion designing. I sell designed suits and dresses. There are 50 employees in my company. Some are boys and some are girls. I built this business on my own. My parents are not very nice to me. They do not support me much. But I never gave up. I worked day and night. I made my dream come true. I love my best friend. Her name is Sheila. She is very nice to me. I share everything with her. She listens to me. She understands me. We spend a lot of time together. We go on picnics. We go to church. We go to parties. We celebrate occasions together. We enjoy a lot. We are always happy when we are together. I live in California. Sheila also lives in California. It is a big place with diverse cultures and beautiful landscapes. The streets are always busy, filled with cars and people. There are many buildings and shops. The lights shine brightly at night, making the city look beautiful. People from all over the world live here, bringing different traditions and cuisines. The beaches are lovely, with golden sand and clear blue water. Many people come to relax and enjoy the sunshine. The weather is mostly warm and pleasant, making outdoor activities enjoyable. California is also known for its famous places. There is Hollywood, where movies are made, and celebrities live. Many tourists visit to see the Walk of Fame and big movie studios. There is Disneyland, a fun place for kids and families. The Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco is a beautiful sight. Many people take pictures there. California also has mountains, forests, and deserts. There are national parks where people go hiking and camping. It is a state full of opportunities and adventures. I love my city. It is my home. Every day, I wake up early. I stretch my arms and smile, ready for a new day. I drink a cup of coffee and plan my tasks. I get ready for work. I go to my office. I talk to my employees. I check the designs. I look at the new dresses. I talk to customers. Sometimes, I sit with my designers and discuss new ideas. My work is not easy. But I love my work. Fashion is my passion. Seeing people wear my designs makes me feel proud. After work, I sometimes meet Sheila. We go to a cafe. We drink coffee. The smell of fresh coffee makes us feel relaxed. We talk about our day. Sometimes, we go to the park. The trees sway in the wind, and birds sing in the sky. We walk and laugh. Sheila is my best friend. She makes me happy. On Sundays, we go to church. The church bells ring softly in the morning. We pray together. Church is a peaceful place. It makes me feel good. We light candles and thank God for His blessings. We listen to the choir singing beautiful hymns. After church, we sometimes eat together. We sit in a cozy restaurant, enjoying delicious food. We talk about life. We share our dreams. We make plans for the future. We also celebrate religious festivals with great joy. On Christmas, we decorate the house with lights and a Christmas tree. We exchange gifts and visit friends and family. On Easter, we attend a special church service and enjoy a big meal together. These moments bring us closer and make us feel blessed. On special days, we have parties. We dress up in beautiful outfits. We wear bright colors and stylish shoes. We dance to our favorite songs. We take pictures, capturing happy moments. We enjoy it with friends. Celebrating makes life beautiful. Sometimes, we have family get-togethers. Relatives visit, and we prepare delicious meals. We sit together, talk, and laugh. We remember old stories and make new memories. These gatherings make us feel the warmth of family love. Life is not always easy. Sometimes, I feel sad. Sometimes, I feel tired. But I never stop. I keep working. I keep smiling. I believe in myself. One day, my business will grow even bigger. One day, my parents will be proud of me. One day, I will achieve all my dreams. In the future, I also dream of finding the right person for me. My future fiancé will be kind, understanding, and supportive. He will respect my hard work and believe in my dreams. We will share our happiness and struggles together. He will be my partner in life, standing by my side in good and bad times. I hope he will be someone who loves me for who I am, who prays with me, and who celebrates life with me. Together, we will build a beautiful future, full of love, respect, and success. This is my life. I am Maria. I am strong. I am independent. I am happy. I will always work hard. I will always believe in myself. I will always enjoy my life with my best friend, Sheila. Life is a journey, and I am enjoying every step of it. Thank you for watching and being a part of my journey. Always believe in yourself, work hard, and never give up on your dreams. If you enjoyed my story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.